The United States is continuing to deploy new F-35 fifth-generation fighters to Kadena Air Base in Okinawa, where they are replacing aging F-15C and F-15D Eagle aircraft from the previous generation which were kept on permanent deployment there for over 4 decades. The F-35s are being deployed from the 355th Fighter Squadron from Eielson Air Base in Alaska, and arrived from March 28. The next batch of F-15s will depart Kadena in phased movements over the coming months. Departures will occur once sufficient deployed forces are in place and operational to ensure no gap in steady-state fighter presence. The F-15's withdrawal announced in 2022 was widely seen to be a response to the class' growing obsolescence in the face of increasingly sophisticated Chinese capabilities in the region, as well as the age of the Cold War-era airframes themselves, which has increased operational costs and lowered availability rates. The F-15 was by far the Western world's most capable air superiority fighter during the Cold War, and remains by far the longest-ranged Western fighter class, although the lack of a viable successor due to serious issues with the fifth-generation F-22 fighter program forced the class to remain in service far longer than expected.